Welcome back to Zoom Auto. Today, we're diving into something truly insane. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Turbo, the latest Italian masterpiece that smashes tradition and future tech together in one breathtaking package. You know, Lamborghini for wild designs, screaming engines, and untouchable presence. But this is their first ever plug-in hybrid twin-turbo V8 supercar, and it's rewriting the Lamborghini rulebook. A name with meaning Revuelto means scrambled in Spanish, and sure, that might sound like breakfast. But here, it means a fusion of raw power and electric intelligence. Lamborghini has taken the heritage we know and love and scrambled it with cutting-edge hybrid performance to create something truly revolutionary. First teased as a concept in 2023, the production Revuelto Turbo rides on a completely new architecture. Nothing recycled, nothing borrowed, all built to push the limits of speed, style, and technology. Lamborghini's global power play Lamborghini still calls Italy home, but make no mistake, this is a world car. The US, China, the UAE, and Europe are the biggest markets. And with demand for ultra-luxury performance cars at an all-time high, Lamborghini is aiming straight for record-breaking sales. In fact, early forecasts show the US will be the biggest buyer of this beast. No surprise, considering America has been snapping up Lambos faster than they can build them. The heart of the beast under that sculpted carbon fiber skin lives? A newly developed, twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8. But that's only half the story. Add in 3 electric motors, and you're looking at over 900 horsepower combined. What does that mean for performance? 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. Blink and you'll miss it. Top speed? Over 217 miles per hour. This isn't just fast. This is warp speed. Push dash you dash back dash in dash your dash seat. Grin until your face hurts fast. Hybrid power, Lambo style, yes, it's a hybrid. No, it's not boring. The Revuelto Turbo has an electric-only mode for short drives. Perfect for sneaking out of your driveway without waking the neighbors. But when the V8 kicks in, it's pure Lamborghini thunder. And while nobody buys a Lambo to save fuel, this hybrid setup actually makes it more efficient than any V12 Lambo before it, especially in city or hybrid modes. It's proof you can mix eco-conscious tech with full-blooded supercar performance. Handling that defies physics, the advanced torque vectoring system and active aerodynamics work together to keep you glued to the road, whether you're carving mountain switchbacks or attacking a racetrack. Add in adaptive all-wheel drive active rear-wheel steering, a brand new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and you've got a car that reacts to every input instantly. It's like the Revuelto Turbo can read your mind. Lightweight, rigid, perfectly balanced Lamborghini built the Revuelto Turbo on a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, keeping weight low and rigidity sky high. This translates into precision cornering, insane grip, and the confidence to push this thing as hard as you dare. Cockpit of the future inside. It's all Lamborghini, but sharper, cleaner, and more tech-heavy than ever. You get a fully digital cockpit with razor-sharp graphics, customizable drive modes to match your mood-assisted driving feedback for real-time performance coaching and housing. Upgraded infotainment system with over-the-air updates to keep your software as fresh as your paint job. Everything inside feels driver-focused. Every switch, every display, every angle is designed to make you feel like the star of the show. Design that turns streets into catwalks from the outside, the Revuelto Turbo screams Lamborghini. Y-shaped LED lighting that's pure sci-fi aerodynamic body sculpting. that looks like it was carved by wind, and of course, scissor doors, because a Lamborghini without them just isn't a Lamborghini. Every crease and contour isn't just for looks. It's functional hero, helping keep this 900 horsepower monster stable at speeds that would make a fighter jet jealous. Price of admission base price, $680,000 USD. Real world price after customizations, $750,000 and up. Because let's face it, nobody buys a Lamborghini without ticking some very expensive boxes. Why this Lamborghini matters: the 2026 Revuelto Turbo is more than just another hypercar. It's a statement. The first ever Lamborghini to deliver extreme twin-turbo performance and hybrid sophistication in one package. It's proof that the future of speed isn't about abandoning passion. It's about evolving it. And Lamborghini has wrapped that future in Italian carbon fiber art. Final thoughts: the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Turbo delivers insane performance, check. Cutting-edge hybrid tech, check. Timeless Lamborghini drama, double check. It's fast, it's beautiful, it's intelligent, and it's proof that the next generation of supercars will be just as thrilling, maybe even more so, than the ones that came before. That's it for this deep dive from Zoom Auto. So tell me, if you had $750,000 burning a hole in your pocket, would this be the Lamborghini you'd take home? Or would you stick with a screaming V12 Aventador for that old school magic? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And while you're there, hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss our high-octane coverage. Until next time, keep it loud, keep it fast, and keep it Zoom Auto.